Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare dry eel fish without oil, and I'll be preparing dry eel chutney as well. These are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have dried and smoked ngaprum. I've already soaked in water for 30 minutes. 30 minutes kung ising diting na tangrab ni kung ngaprum si. Kaffir lime hayribok, I'll use only the cover, outer cover. Boiled taro roots. Of course, bhut jolokya, dry bhut jolokya, and fermented bamboo shoot. Soybum, pan, umrog, duga, hayrabok, yauri ko. Asi oire. Chanamga ginger sushi zining ko. I'll be using garlic and ginger as well, and little bit of turmeric powder. I've already put enough water in a pot. Put crushed garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon. Put bhut jolokya. I'll put little bit only, just as you like. Kaffir lime. Hayrbo crack since yam how bne hayrbo si ko yam pak na bne. Salt as per your taste. At home we'll use fresh turmeric, but I don't have, so I'll be using the turmeric powder. Little bit, not much. And I'll put the taro roots. These are not spoiled. The spoiled ones are soft. Asi sum tau pani si sum tau si soy di ko asi si. How ba ni manam de ko yam nung shire ko si ko. Pum ba sing di piet kreb ko asi di krakantak taw na how ni sa ko. If you want, you can cut the taro roots. Meanwhile, let's clean the eel fish. I have washed the eel fish. Shred it into small pieces. Take out this. If you want, you can take out the bones as well, but I'm not taking it out. Matila talk pirese. Isi si krit samra thambay ko. No aire shega ibsi. Put the eel. Ngaprum hapsil si. Put the bamboo shoot as well. This is fermented bamboo shoot. For those who don't know how to wash fermented bamboo shoot, first rub the bamboo shoot with salt and wash it with water thoroughly and squeeze out the water. That's it. Mash some of the taro roots. Kratoy hello ko pan sing ko. This is the perfect consistency for me. And I'll garnish it with coriander leaf. Mula thang direge. It's done. Switch on the flame. It has got one bones only. Or if you want, you can just roast it on low flame as well. Here I've shredded the boiled eel. Put the guy na dum machet sugar thamgre. Little bit of coriander leaf. And I've already crushed bhut jolokya, fresh bhut jolokya, ginger, garlic, and salt. That's it. No ngari in this recipe. Ngari ko mukris hapte ko si didi ko. I've used one large bhut jolokya so you can see the color. How many? Asi si laura ka su yai ko phajana hojik ki ut to ut ashaba manung da si habra ga law su yai law bum tung de dum khet laga machet tawraga चारबने dry eel chutney with fresh bhut jolokya. Pan ga ngaprum thongba ngaprum meat ka chab haurage miyam. Now it's time to enjoy. Already. So yummy, and the aroma of this curry is just to die for. Mainit pura hawa. Asi sum thom se ko nga prum ngim nam su phajab thok ne ko. Miyam try to. Wow. Wow. Chutney su mainit pura. The chutney is very spicy but so delicious. Wow, mainit pura. Pan ga ngaprum sa dri bo iri di chaw yam hawne. Smrok sai. Sak ti phajin chang hi dawring si gi se. Eel is a very delicious fish. Eel is considered a high value food in our community. Ekoi thai ne di nga prum se nupi magi khot ni bugum nga ne ko nga prum pu ne ye bu ko thai ne ko hauji ga ni pu ne dra mani sa de bu ko ire sharp and humang hit hokre. This chutney is so spicy. I'm sweating. Si umrok si maru di lau thok khrab ne do shai. Sa khap lu hi ge. Pan khazik mu tap do da haw ne. Pum dam ne ko do. Hard. Chade yam chani si morok me pse morok sha wi cha ba ngam de morok khandok ke Miyam si di cha blo ire si wa di do sin jare. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Take care.